Hey guys, my name is Milo Acosta. I'm the Director of North American Sales for Sisel International. And today we're going to be talking about the WealthBuilder System. We've had some questions about how this is paid, so we wanted to shoot a quick video just to make sure that we explain the WealthBuilder System, how it is, so you guys can share this video and hopefully answer some of your questions that you might have. So we have a couple of packs available. We have the transformation pack, which is the original pack that you can see here. And we also have our wellness pack, our new wellness pack, which is right here that you can see exactly what products that we have. We're also coming up with an ageless pack, which is skincare that we're probably going to take us for another couple of weeks, but we're going to have another pack available for you guys. These packs are $315 each, and it'll give you 300 PV, okay? So to participate in the WealthBuilder System, you need to make sure that everybody in your organization purchase a WealthBuilder pack. Regardless of which one of it is, everybody has to be participating in this system with one of those packs. And this is how it works. Basically, we have our freedom side and our wealth side, okay? And we'll explain to you why we call those names. So you have your sponsor here, and there's you. The first thing that you guys need to do when you sign up or you purchase your pack is sign 3 people. Every time that you sign somebody up, the company will give you $50. Okay? Remember that this payout is a daily payout. So you sign somebody up today, and we'll pay you tomorrow those $50. Okay? But one of the main things that you guys need to do, so you can duplicate this amount to $100, you need to make sure that you sign these 3 people up in less than 2 weeks from the time that you purchased your initial pack. So you do that, and the company, instead of giving you the $50, they'll give you $100. But what does your sponsor get out of this? Your sponsor, by helping you recruit these in conference calls and everything, your sponsor will be getting $80 per person that you sign up. So if you sign up the three people, you're gonna get your sponsor will get $240 just by you signing up these 3 people, okay? So that is your first goal, to sign these 3 people under 2 weeks, and that will make sure that you create the $300 to cover most of your expenses of your own WealthBuilder pack. Okay, so now this is where the magic starts. You're gonna start creating your wealth side, and this is how this works. You're gonna sign up number 4, okay? After you sign up number 4, the company will give you the $50, remember, that you got during these first 3 people. Plus, instead of giving the $80 to your sponsor, the company is going to give the $80 to you for a total of $130, okay? So you will get the $130 just by signing up number 4. All right, so one of these more important things that you guys need to understand is that you want to duplicate this. Exactly what you're doing, you need to teach your people to duplicate and do exactly what you're doing. So number 1 is going to be doing the same thing, number 2, number 3, number 4. Let's do an example and see what happens when you sign up number 4 and when your number 4 starts duplicating. Okay, same thing. They're going to do their 3. Number 4 is going to get their $50 each, right? So now, because your number 4 qualified, the $80 that your sponsor was getting, now you will be receiving it, okay? So you're going to get $80 for number 1, $80 for number 2, and $80 for number 3. Just like your sponsor did on this side, this is going to happen on this side. Okay, you just need to make sure that everybody that hits number 4 is going to get the same benefits, all right? So you get the 1, 2, 3, you get $80 per person, and you get a total of $240 by signing up these 3. Now, one of the things that I love to explain is that every time your first 3, through infinity, get that, you will always be getting the $80 regardless, through infinity, okay? And I've had a lot of people ask me, so does this work? I'm like, believe me, guys, it works. So it's through infinity that you guys are going to get paid on the first 3 down when you sign up number 4. Okay, let's continue on. Now, our next goal is to sign up number 5. Number 5, you're going to get the $50 and the $80 that you got with number 4. So you will also get $130 by signing up number 5. And this will also trigger what we call the check match bonus. And this is how this pays. So let's do an example with number 1. Now we're going to their freedom side, okay? They'll do the same thing, okay? They'll get their 3. It'll pay out the same way that we were explaining. When they get their 4th person, okay, their 4th person is going to do the same thing, get his 3. So this will generate your number 1 to get their $80 each, right? So the check match, how this works is that you're basically going to get 50% of whatever your 1, 2, and 3 generate. So you will get $40 per person that goes directly to you. Sorry. To you, okay? So you'll be generating anything that they do also through infinity. All right? So you get the $40 for number 1, 2, and 3 of this person through infinity. So that's one of the things that I get more questions about the check match is how it pays out. So this is exactly what happens. All right, but we're not over yet, okay? What happens when you get number 6? Remember, $50 again for signing up. But now, instead of getting $80, you're going to get $100. Okay, so you get a total of $150 when you sign up number 6. So from here on, every time that you sign somebody up, you will be getting $150 from number 6, 7, 8, 9 through infinity. It depends on you and how many people you want to sign up directly sponsored. Okay, so you will get $150 for that. And remember those $80 that you would get here? Instead of $80, just by qualifying to be turbo qualified, you will get $100 bonus every time that that these people generate that income. So guys, I just wanted to make sure that you guys understood how we pay our WealthBuilder system. One of the things that I would like to mention is that for your sponsor to get that money, he needs to be qualified or he has to be grandfathered in. So if your sponsor was a previous distributor from August 29th and before, then he's automatically qualified. It's like the system recognizes him that he has the 6 people underneath him and he will get all the bonuses applied. If your sponsor became a distributor after August 29th, then he needs to be WealthBuilder qualified so he can receive the commissions. So hopefully this video will help you guys understand a little more the WealthBuilder system. If you have any questions, don't hesitate and give us a call and we'll make sure that we'll go through these points with you individually. Thank you so much.